Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing this new mobile keypad. This is a very cool thing. You can actually connect this plug and I will show you how it looks like. So basically it looks like that. You plug this wire until the light doesn't come. These two lights, or it's all right if it's three. At least this must be a one light or two lights or three lights. Three lights doesn't come, but if there's two lights or one light, if there's one light, it won't work properly. There's two lights right here, then it will work properly. This is for light to lock. So if this comes, that means it's bad. It doesn't connect really badly. And this is for the low volume. And yeah, and we're gonna be not gonna be playing. Look, it's just like that. Look, it's everything. I don't know why it's just like that. It's just opened. But and this is a space. It's everything like that. And you can place your phone right here. And you might be wondering how to we can stand it. Let me show you. So basically it has a standard just right here. You can just do it like that and then plug it in. You can, yeah, and you don't need to put anything like this thing which I kept my toys right here, or my things which are important, or my brother's toys. And yeah, this is the F1. So I don't know what are these for. There's no mouse, but there is this one. It's like down and up, right, left, like that. Yeah, there's no mouse, because why do we need mouse? We need this plug to connect. I'm sorry, this phone I'm making videos A20. It has a very big charger, so I can't plug this in. Yeah, because this is small for medium, like Samsung, or like these kind of phones which has small chargers, so you can basically charge, but it catch up so much battery, so you have to use it for less time. Yeah, and it makes phone more hotter if you use it too much. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about unboxing this one. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, smash that like button, and we're at 7 subscribers, so please subscribe more, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Whoosh.